Okay, now that you've copied that script that you just generated over in CF Pro Tools, we're going to bring that over here to ClickFunnels. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go into your funnel. You should have a funnel and you should have created some products. We're going to go through and just do a quick tutorial on that. So you're probably going to go to your products tab over here, go to your all products, and then make sure that you've created your product and set that up and everything, okay? Let's go into our OTO page that we've created here. This is a fairly basic and simple page. I've just gone through, added some basic info, a headline, hey, don't go forward yet, put a picture of a person in there, and then added some product buttons here. You've already seen these if you watch the demo. So we have product 1, product 2, product 3. Remember, button 1 is going to be associated with product 1, button 2 is going to be associated with product 2, and the same thing with button 3 is going to be associated with product 3. So if they click on this one, they better know what it is that they're buying. So use your copy appropriately. Okay, now let's look at a couple different things. The first thing that we're going to do is go into show code. We need to take that code that we just copied and we need to put it somewhere. So we're going to go into settings, show code. It says hide code now because it's down here. So we're going to go to footer code and we are going to put our script in here. Now I've already put a script in here because I did some testing on this before making this for you. I'll take that out and we're going to put another one in there. MultipleOTOs 2.0. This is the script that will drive everything that's happening. There's no configuration in CF Pro Tools, but there's a little bit of linkage that needs to happen over here. Overall, pretty easy. So once that's in there, I would hit save. And then a couple things that you need to do is you do need to have a checkout element. I know we said, oh, we're not going to use the checkout element, but we're still going to add one to the page, but then we're going to hide it. Okay, so that's going to be kind of cool. So I've already got one on here. It's in my layout down here towards the bottom of the page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down here and unhide it just to make sure that we have it. So what we're going to do, we're going to come in. You can add this. You can go into your elements and you can search that up, checkout, just like this. And you'll see that there is a legacy checkout and there is a little shopping cart checkout. That's the one that you want to use. The legacy checkout, this probably will not work on there as far as I know. This was designed with the new smart checkout in mind. So just keep that in mind. You could try it with the legacy checkout. Let me know if it works. But the checkout, the regular smart checkout is the one that this was designed to work with. Okay. So once that's in there, and you can go to the product select settings and you can actually edit your products. But the main thing that you need to configure and ensure has been set up is definitely the products that are in here. And then again, make mental note of which product is where. It's a product 1, product 2, product 3. And then again, make mental note of which product is where. It's a product 1, product 2, product 3. Okay. Once you've done that, we're going to come over here and we are going to hide this. We're just going to hide that so you can't see it. It's there. It's behind the scenes, but nobody's going to see it in here on the page, right? Let's hit that save button one more time. And what we're going to do, we're going to come over here and we need to associate these buttons with the products. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go to button 1 and you'll see that we have a go to button action. We're going into the button action here and we need to set this to go to. This will be most likely defaulted to submit order form like that. So you're going to have to click on that and select go to. Where it says custom URL, you're going to select custom action link. Okay, and then you need to set the custom action link in there. In this case, it's going to be hashtag yes dash link, spell it right, -1. Okay, so on the other ones, they're going to be -2, and on the third one, it's going to be -3. So this one's hashtag yes dash link -1. Okay, once you've done that, of course, go in and style your button, make it look however you want it to look. Make sure that it says what you want it to say. It could have a subtext like that, or whatever you want it to say. Okay, just make sure that your button action goes to the custom action link, hashtag yes dash link -1. Okay, and then do the same thing with the second one, hashtag yes dash link -2, and with the third one, yes dash link -3. If you have a 4, 5, 6, and 7, they're going to be appropriately titled. yes-link-5-7-9, whatever it is, okay? I'm not sure where the upper limit is on that, but go ahead and give it a shot. Let me know what you guys figure out, okay? I do believe that's it. So once you guys have all that set, so you've copied the code in, you've created a checkout element and added that to the page, then hidden it, made mental note of what products are on there and the order that they're in, and then made your buttons, put them on the page. Again, keep in mind, you can just do this with one button if you want. If you only have one product, it just makes it so that you can use an actual, just like CF Classic, have a single button that the customer can click so that they can make their purchase. Okay? And that's all there is to it. Once you've got that all set up and it's in place, we can go through and do an actual test. But for now, I'll do that in another video because this one's going a little bit long. I'll see you guys over there.